Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to increase chest size for men. This chest workout is all about creating maximum muscle contraction, deep fascia stretch, and insane pumps without relying on heavy weights or bench presses. Whether you're training at home or at the gym, this routine is all intensity, just not ego lifting. Firstly, the first exercise is plate press. 4 sets, 1, 10, or 12 reps, rest 45 seconds. Grab 2 flat plates, start light. Press them together with your hand in front of your chest and slowly press the plates upward, keeping the tension by continuously pressing them together. Just lower back down in control while maintaining that inward pressure. The second exercise is dumbbell chest fly. 3 sets, 2 to 3 reps plus 20-second hold and rest for 60 to 90 seconds. Lie on the floor or a bench, if you have one, with a light pair of dumbbells. Start with the dumbbells over your chest and slowly lower the weights in a fly motion until you feel a comfortable stretch. Hold that bottom stretch for 20 seconds and return to the top. Repeat for 2 to 3 reps max. And finally, half push-up isometric holds. Get into a push-up position and lower yourself halfway down and hold for 5 seconds. Return to the top slowly and repeat for 4 reps per set. This is a bonus move. If you're just starting out, skip this until you're used to the main 2 exercises. But if you're advanced, bring in the pain. Just focus on tension, not weight. Stick to the rest times to keep intensity high and always prioritize form and control. Rushing through these ruins the point. And use this routine once or twice per week depending on your program. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.